हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। मैं हूं आपका मनीष एंड आई एम वेलकमिंग यू ऑल इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल्स एंड हैव योर valuable like and comments regarding my video. So today I am coming with the new topics about contact lens hygiene and during pandemic. So many of my friend and persons, those who are known to me, had used to ask me regarding that is this safe time to wear contact lens. So there is a question mark. And what are the care should I take if I am interested to wear contact lens? Again question mark. Is there any risk if I wear contact lens right now? Again question marks. So there are the many questions that have many of the persons used to ask me. So today I am coming with these topics. So these topics might help you to wear the contact lens and have the care and maintenance. So friend, don't get panic. Here I had about you the care and maintenance of contact lens. If you want to wear, then please watch my video and follow what I said. And all my words has been proven with reference. So without any further delay, let's start the presentation. So topic already says that contact lens and COVID-19. So before going to my slide, there are the few precautions that I am going to discuss with you all. So at first, there is a main question: what precautions are optometry practice taking ensure their office as a safe as possible? Okay, so this is important questions for you all, those who are visiting to the optometrist or the ophthalmologist or any primary eye care centers. So optometrists are implementing new protocols to provide the care patients are seeking in safe and healthy environment. While change may vary from state to state as well as individual practice location, patient can be ensured that doctor or the optometrist, like all the medical professionals, are adhering to guidance from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which is CDC, as well as federal, states or local health directives regarding infection prevention measures are and implementing appropriate safety precautions to reduce the risks of COVID-19 transmission within the hospitals or clinic. So don't get panic, friends. So if you are visiting to the ophthalmologist or the optometrist or any clinic or any health sector, they had their protocols and they used to follow, and it has been already proven by the government, and that the protocol has been followed in all the healthcare centers. So don't get afraid to visit the ophthalmologist if you are suffering from any kinds of disease. Okay, so let's come to the my topics: contact lens and COVID-19. So friend, as you know that the whole world is suffering from the coronavirus, so many of the peoples are not ready to wear the glasses because there are the many high number, so that patients are suitable with contact lens. They because as we know that the contact lens give the best visions and it improve the quality of life and in view of cosmetic look also. So if the patients are having any kinds of corneal opacity or corneal disease, that is ectatic disease, like we can say if the patient is suffering from keratoconus, PMCD, TMD, so that patient are very adequate to the contact lens. So if the patient used to wear the contact lens, then only they are satisfied with the vision. So for that patient, glass is very uncomfortable. So for that patient, I had come with these topics. So what are the care, what are the maintenance, what are the precautions you can take in home if you want to wear the contact lens? Okay, so let's move to the another slide. So always wash your hand with soap and water before handling your lens. Dry your hand well with a clean cloth before touching your contact lens every time. Okay, this is the second point that you have to follow. Third point is keep contact lens away from all water, especially contaminated water. So water can introduce germs to the eye through contact lens. Remove contact lens before swimming and avoiding swimming in them. Okay. Fourth one is properly clean your lens. Like rub and rinse your contact lens with contact lens disinfecting solution. Never water or saliva to clean them each time you remove them. Okay. Don't top up solution. Use only fresh contact lens disinfecting solution in your case. Never mix fresh solution with old or used solution in your case of the contact lens. Use only the contact lens solution recommended by your eye care provider. And fourth point is take care of your contact lens case, because that case is very important, because you used to put your contact lens in that case. So proper maintaining of the case is very important. So clean your contact lens case by rubbing and rinsing it with contact lens solution. Never water and them empty and dry with a clean tissue. Store upside down with the caps off after each use. Replace your contact lens case at least once every 3 months. Okay. And another point is talk with your eye care provider. So have you conversation with your eye care provider during your next appointment to discuss your contact lens wear and care habit and to help prevent eye infections. Visit your eye care provider yearly or often as he or she recommended. Remove your contact lens immediately and call your eye care provider if you have any pain, discomfort, redness or blurring with contact lens. And last point, but the very important point is that be prepared, like carrying a backup pair of glasses with current prescription just in case you have take out your contact lens. So if you does not have a contact lens prescription glasses, then you might have problem if you remove the contact lens, or if if the contact lens has been damaged or it has been broken. So always put a pair of glasses with you. And here the tips for the hard or rigid gas permeable, that is RGP contact lens wear. So what are the things that you have to follow? Like the wear and the care recommendation for soft contact lens are also applied to hard or rigid gas permeable contact lenses. So follow these extra tips beyond this. So follow the lens cleaning guidance of your eye care provider and the lens solution used instruction. Take care to avoid using tap water to rinse or store your hard contact lens. Hard contact lens can last much longer than soft contact lens if cared for properly. Replace your hard contact lens when recommended to do so by your eye care provider. Okay. And at the last, I am going to discuss about what is CDC is doing. So CDC I have already explained. So CDC work to increase the awareness of behavior and risk factor that can affect the eye health of people who wear contact lens. Apart of that work, CDC provide the clear and consistent recommendation about properly wearing, caring for any maintaining your contact lens. Okay, so these are the few of the question, and it is very useful, and I have some of the question I have already discussed, but once again I am going to discuss it one by one. First of all, is it safe to wear contact lens during this coronavirus pandemic? So it is a nice question. So as we know, as the COVID-19 situation continue to involve, patients continue to look to doctors or the optometrists, their primary eye care or physicians for accurate eye health and vision guidance when it comes to the contact lens wear. The American Optometrists Association, and the optometrists want to reinforce that contact lenses are safe and effective for form of vision corrections for millions of people. The American Optometry Association provide the following advice to ensure proper wear and care for contact lenses. So second one is contact lens themselves will not give you COVID-19. Like contact lens wearers should always practice good hygiene when handling lenses. Okay, and it has been noticed that contact lens wearers touch their faces and eye when inserting and removing lenses. So touching your face can spread the germs, so avoid doing this. Third one is exercise properly, handling washing. So when using contact lens or spectacles, one should wash their hand carefully and thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, followed by hand drying with proper towels, means clean towel. This should occur before every contact lens insertion and removal. And if soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of the alcohol. People should avoid touching their face, include their eye, nose, mouth with their unwashed hand. Fourth one is disinfect contact lens. Like contact lens wearers should either dispose of their daily disposable lenses each evening or regularly disinfect their monthly or 2 weekly lens according to instruction by the manufacturers and the optometrists that has been given to you. Fifth one is discontinue lens wear if sick. So this is the nice point, so listen it carefully. Consistent with the recommendations for other types of illness, those who fell ill with cold or flu symptoms should case contact lens wear. Okay, so other point is glass are not proven to offer protection. This is no scientific evidence that the wearing spectacles or glass provide protection against COVID-19 or other viral transmission. So guys, thank you for listening, and please subscribe my YouTube channels and have your like and valuable comments if you like this video. Thank you.